So 300-yard marker, let's move across. We're going to do a U-turn here, and again the right hand lane splits into two. We're going to get into the furthest right hand lane. My right hand indicator is on, and now all three cars are going to be going around the roundabout. Look at that Mercedes, he's keeping his lane discipline, it's perfect, as is the white car. So we're going round. Beware of the Volkswagen approaching the roundabout. That's good, and we've got a black car up ahead now going off. That's a Nissan Juke. So let's stay in the right hand lane as we exit the roundabout, and they're making reasonably good progress, but we're making a little bit better, so we're going to stay in this lane and overtake, and now tuck back into the left hand lane.